Welcome to our new course about tips, tricks, and techniques using Java. My name is Vince, and I am a co-author of this course with János. In this course, we will help you to learn the new features of the last few versions of Java. After this course, you can apply this knowledge in your programming practice. I would like to take a minute to introduce János and myself. János Setény is from Hungary. He is using Java since 1.3. He is a functional programming professional. He has 3 years of experience teaching at the University of Szeged. And also he has more than 25 years of experience working in the IT industry, as a developer, manager, and architect. In his current job, he works as a software developer expert making high-level design choices. My name is Vince Varga. I am also from Hungary. I have started developing in Java 7. I am a test automation professional and I have 3 years of experience mentoring, giving lectures, and preparing my colleagues for IT exams. I have been in and around IT for a decade, as a developer, tester, and analyst. In my current job, I work as a software quality assurance engineer overseeing development processes from start to finish. And now, let's take a look at what we are going to cover in this course. This course has 5 sections. In section 1, you will learn to use IntelliJ IDEA, one of the best development environments for Java. You will learn about several features of the last few Java development kits, and you will learn about the removed and deprecated API too. You will know what to use instead of the removed and deprecated, and how to get the resources you need. After all of this, in section 2, you will learn about convenience features, the new syntaxes, and network handling options in Java. After section 3, you will have a solid foundation about how to avoid null references with the new and improved tools to develop rock-solid Java applications. In section 4, you will be introduced to functional programming techniques used in Java, such as immutable collections, Java util stream implementations, with practical examples of predicates and regular expressions. Closing with section 5, you will know about the interesting changes in Java from the last few years. You will code more efficiently, achieve better resource handling and performance in your applications. Other things good to know about this course. Whenever I will show you a coding example, you will get the standalone code samples for it. Each demo will be a working sample application. You will be able to download all of this from the Git repository of our course. And now the prerequisites. One of the 64-bit versions of Microsoft Windows 10, 8 or 7. A minimum of 2 GB of RAM. 2.5 GB of hard disk space. And a minimum screen resolution of 1024. Remember, you will need to install and configure Git to get the source code. Also, in the videos I will show you what to use and how to use it, and where can you find the installers. So you will have no trouble in following the course. We are excited to start this course with you, so let's get started.